ka Laban Bangalee Boys Higher Secondary School kalayo obat ya ka Kyrdan ke bah khmat e jong ka result Higher Secondary School Living Certificate habaro artali ki stream kata haka science bat commerce hak baya ka science layo obat du Arnab duta balayo sauspa prapo khandai ka total marks bat u Rishab purkaya stha jong ka commerce balayo ya ka total marks sauspa prapo sa Laban kedo bakajing yo obat kini ki arngut haka Kyrdan ke bah khmat e kalawan ra ya ka jing sngo sarong ya ka school bat kino hikai namar haus nem ubaladap kan ka school kalayo obat ya ka Kyrdan ke bah khmat e jong ka science habe keren bat u Arnab duta ulaong bakalenti ban yo khet ya uso ka jing job kadai ka jing toi shitom haringkat ka jing minat kleman thaj no
best from you, but I really never expected to get the first position. I knew that I'll be getting a position, but the first position was really a surprise for me.
How well did you prepare for this?
For the
How was your
preparation? I would say that consistency is important. Throughout the year, I maintained that consistency, and when the last 3 months, as far as the last 3 months were concerned, that was the time when I just really pulled up my socks, and that's how I did it. So I feel consistency is important. Like if you work hard throughout the year, then you'll just get through.
How many years have you studied here in Bangalee Boys?
This was my 8th year in this school.
Since class?
5.
Since
right
class
from 2015, I have been a part of Laban Bengali Boys.
How was it growing up? How was your education?
Actually, I have learned everything from here. I am not a student who has been the topper right from class 5 or 6. So I would just struggle to I would just struggle to get into 90s or somewhere 60s also. So actually, they are the ones who have brought me to this level actually. So I was groomed here. I was taught everything here only. So yeah, I just owe everything to them.
Oh, what is
Thought actually.
Did you expect the result?
Actually, always expect nothing but the best from you. But getting the first position, I really did not expect it. I knew that.
Augusto, and I'm from Jelrut, and I secured the highest position in commerce 2023.
So, did you expect the result?
No, I really did not expect the result. It was all because of the teachers, my parents, and all the support I got. It all because of them. I got this.
How do you feel about the result today?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy that I can make my parents proud. I can make the teachers of the school proud. So I'm very proud. I'm very grateful for this.
Have you been studying in Bangalee Boys?
No, I joined here in class 11.
Oh, 11. So before that?
Before that, I was in a school called St. Xavier's in Polo.
How was your result on class 10?
So in class 10 I got 91%.
In which position?
No, I did not get the position in class 10. I'm grateful that I got this time.
What did you do different this time that you got the rank?
I don't know. I think it's just because of the teachers. They guided me. All my teachers, all my parents, they guided me. So I'm very, very grateful for them.
what is your vision after you finish this class?
I didn't really have a tight schedule. I just woke up, decided what I was going to study today, and I just stick with that simple routine.
What do you think the difference is between regular students and toppers when it comes to
time management and study
I
techniques?
don't think there is that much difference between a normal student and a topper. If you just put in just a little bit effort, I think anyone can become a topper.
So what's your message for them?
I'll just give one message: work hard and believe in yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.